Instructions for teachers. Dear teachers, there is a teacher's note. Do the exercises in the workbook on pages 30 to 33. And now let's discuss all these activities. Students are little explorers. Show a picture of a goat and tell the learners that goat gives us milk. Wow. Goat is a farm animal and it gives us milk. Little innovators. Let the learners press a key on the keyboard to type the letter G. It is a very important skill, my dear teachers. Students को पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सा letter keyboard पे कहाँ है. So, tell them about the presence and position of the letter G on the keyboard. Little builders. Give them some Play-Doh and let them make a nice G with that so that they can learn the formation effectively. Little designers. Encourage and guide the learners to color the sketch of the goat and letter G on the top of this page over here. Then, little thinkers, take 2 glasses of different sizes and pour water into both. Ask the learners to observe which glass has more water and why. As glass also starts with letter G, so give them 2 glasses and let them observe the different levels of water in them.